Hello students, I am Kavita Singh from Samarpan Gnyan school, and today we will continue our 8th standard science chapter number 5, coal and petroleum. And today's topic is coal. What is coal? Coal is a black and hard substance and it is a fossil fuel. Now tell me, what is the fossil fuel? Right, fossil fuels are that fuels, they are formed by the dead organism or dead plants. Okay, so coal, and here we learn about more about the coal. So first of all, coal is a combustible fuel, right? Coal is a combustible fuel, that's why we use it for making foods, huh? And second is the coal is the fossil fuel and planted, you know that, and it is made by the plants or fossil, so it is a fossil fuel. And third one is the considered as a non-renewable source. Non-renewable source means it is not be renew after a some time. When we use it continue, it will be finished at one at a time and we cannot get more, so it is a non-renewable source. And here we can learn more uses of coal. First of all, we can use coal for cooking. When we cook the food, when we used it, and in the olden days mostly persons are used the coal. And second is the it is used in the various industries also, railways also, so it is used in the many things. And here given is some examples also. Solid fuels, you know that it is a solid fuel. What three types of fuels? Fossil fuel, solid, liquid and gas. So it is a solid fuel and it is produced electricity. It will be used in the produce the electricity. Second is the it give us thermal energy. It give us thermal energy, thermal plant, power plant. Okay, so this is the use of coal. Now second, how coal was formed. How coal was formed? Now here I will tell you story of coal. Now you can see in the your screen there are some pictures and three process of the coal formation. Coal is formed millions of years ago when the earth was covered with the huge swampy forest where plant, giant ferns, reeds and mosses grown. The plant grew, some added plant and fell dead plants and fell into the swamp waters. New plants grew to take their place when these dead and more grew, and again this will be happen. There was a thick layer of dead plants rotating in the swamp. The surface of the earth changed, dead water, dirt, wash. You can see here there are the swampy plants, and they are when they are dead, new plants are grown. Then again dead, and the new plants are grown. So this happen is going on always, and after some time more green plants, and the time where was thick layer of dead plants rotating in the swamp. The surface of the earth change in dead water and water and dirt wash in swampy. Okay, so here all dead and plants are covered with the water and dirt and swampy to decaying process. More plants grew, but some dead after million of year. And the upper layer is water here and lower layer is dirt. After a millions of year, layer and had formed. Water is the top layer and the dirt is the lower layer, and the heat process is going on and produce biological and geological changes in the layers. In these layers, sorry, in these layer biological and geological processes going on, and these layers are changed after a time, in a time material and had been plant become coal. So you can see in this diagram, if in short I can tell you, in a millions year ago there are swampy forest and animals and the plants are there. and they are dead, then again cover with the soil and dirt, then again new plants are grown, then again covered with the soil and dirt, then again new plants are born, and it's happen is going on many years. And this type of biological and geological process going on, then water make of upper layer and dirt layer or second layer of the earth, and this process is going on, and after some time biological and geological processes going on, so heat will be give them pressure, and it will be changed into coal. Okay, so coal is found in the under the earth surface, means earth crust. Okay, now here the coal mining. What is the mining? Anyone knows what is the mining? Okay, right. Coal is extract from the ground with the process called mining. Means when extract the coal from the earth surface, it is called mining. Mining has two types of mining. First is the surface mining. Surface mining means open cast mining. Open cast mining, you can see in the diagram, the coal are present on the earth upper layer, upper surface. We can take out from extract easily these things, right? So it is the surface mining or open cast mining, which coal extract from near the earth surface. Okay, and here is the second one is the underground mining. Underground mining means which coal when the coal is extracted from the deep inside the earth crust. You can see there is the coal mining, and here some person are digging and take out the coals. So under the crust, under the earth, when we take extract from the under the earth, it is the underground mining. Okay, now here types of this coal: lignite, bitumen, subbitumen, and anthractica, graph, and etc. बहुत सारे होते हैं. Okay, so here is a coke. First a coke. What is coke? Coke is a carbonous residence, means it has a carbon present, carbon is present in it. Okay, so it is a coke, and coke is used for fuel, and it is a tough, poor and black substance. Almost pure carbon used manufacturing of steel, excretion of many metals. Okay, and the processing of coal to get coke also yield coal gas. And it is used in especially in making of rubber, that is the buna rubber. So it will be used for making buna rubber. Which thing is used? Coke. Now here next is the coal tar. Coal tar is a black thick liquid. Okay, black thick liquid, and it has an unpleasant smell, and it is a mixture of about 200 substance, and it is used for making perfume. It has an unpleasant sound, but it is used to making perfume, naphthalene balls, and drugs, synthetic dyes, plastics, roofing, and etc. And earlier coal tar was used for metalling the roads and petrol production produced in the use of purpose. Okay, so it is a coal tar. It is a thick black liquid. And here we can learn about the destructive distillation. What is the destructive distillation? Destructive distillation means when the we give them a heat for to coke, and it is formed with many substance. That is the destructive distillation, means the breaking up of coal by heating to at a 1000 to 1400 degree centigrade. Okay, 1000 to 100 degree centigrade, in the absence of O2. O2 means oxygen. In the absence of O2, and the products obtained from the destructive distillation is coal. Okay, we can get coal also, coal, then coal gas, and here we can get the coal tar. Okay, so we get different things in the destructive distillation. And you can see in the picture there is the one burner. We can what we want for doing destructive distillation. So we can want coke powder, okay, and Bunsen burner or a sprit lamp, then boiling tube, then here is again a one tube, and this is a 90-degree banded glass tube. Okay, these are the 90-degree banded glass tubes. So you can prepare your apparatus in the lab from this type, and when we give them heat from 1000 to 1400 degrees Celsius, okay, then it will be changed into these products. Which products? Coke, coal gas and coal tar. Okay, so this is the destructive distillation, and today's topic is finished here. We will meet in the next topic. Bye. Thank you.